The internet has made life easier in many ways, and especially when it comes to starting your own business. It's easier than ever to get an online business off the ground and to connect with people all over the world in a cost-effective way that didn't exist just 15 years ago. While launching an online business may seem intimidating, there are some steps you can take to make sure you're headed in the right direction as you navigate this brave new world of entrepreneurship online. So, here are 8 tips on how to become an internet entrepreneur. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fascinating Self. Now, let's get started. Number 1, you need a plan. Before you start a business, you need a plan. This is not something that should be done hastily, however. There are several questions you should answer first. How much money do I have in my bank account? How much time do I have to invest in my business? What kind of work hours am I willing and able to keep? Do I want a short-term venture or a long-term investment? It's also important to weigh your options carefully before choosing your own path. If having employees seems like too much of a risk for you at first, try contracting out certain tasks instead. Determine your skill set and hire someone else for what you can't do yourself. Once you get going, things will start looking up pretty quickly. As long as you don't give up, anything is possible. Number 2, evaluate your skills. No matter how good your business idea is, it can go nowhere if you don't have a certain set of skills. Before you start spending time, energy, and capital on your project, make sure that you have the skills needed to successfully run a business in that area. Having general business know-how is key for any entrepreneur. But not every great entrepreneur knows everything about starting and running a small business. The most successful online businesses are built around something people want or need. In other words, your product has to be valuable to someone before they will pay for it. There's no use trying to sell water at a profit when there's plenty of free water available from other sources. So, before you even begin thinking about what kind of website or product you want to build, do some research into what kinds of products or services already exist online that people might be willing to pay for. If there aren't many competitors in your niche, then perhaps it's worth trying something new. Number 3, pick a niche with money to be made. The good news is that being a successful internet entrepreneur has never been easier. There are 2 types of people who make money online. Those who already have wealth and want to continue doing what they're doing, and those with little or no resources at all who know how to make a profit online. If you fall into that second category, don't worry, you won't be alone. Before you start looking for ways to make money online, make sure you've picked a niche with money to be made. A great place to start is by going through magazines and websites about your passion. Keep track of any trends in terms of what people are making or spending, and make sure there's actually a market for your idea before getting started. Even if it's not quite there yet, don't discount ideas if they seem like they could catch on later. What new technology will give birth to a market that didn't exist before? You won't know until you try. Number 4, write down your business model. The most important part of your business is clearly defining it. You may be thinking you have a great idea, but do you have a plan to make money? A lot of new entrepreneurs assume that if they can build a cool product or website, people will come and buy from them. This is not true. You must know who your target market is, what they need, and how much they're willing to pay for it. If you don't have any answers for these questions, stop right now and take some time. The longer time you take before launching your business, the better planning out your business model. Make sure there is a demand for your product or service, and also make sure there is enough competition in your industry. Define your unique selling proposition. Define who your target audience is and find out where they hang out online and offline. Figure out what their pain points are and how you can solve them with your product or service. And decide whether you want to sell directly to consumers or through resellers. Number 5, online advertising and promotions. Online advertising and promotions can easily reach millions of people and cut down on your overhead costs because there is no need for a physical location. You can create a brand from nothing online and succeed in promoting it through tools like social media sites, blogs, YouTube, search engines, and other online services. The nature of online promotion also allows for promotion around the clock. No matter what time zone you're in or where you are about your target market, with just a few clicks of your mouse button, you can promote 24 hours a day all over the world. So, how do you become an internet entrepreneur? By taking advantage of online advertising and promotions. You can use your marketing skills to create a web presence that promotes your products or services. And by using internet marketing strategies, you will be able to gain access to new customers every single day. As a bonus, many times when you make sales from these strategies, you don't even have to ship anything out because everything is done electronically over the web. This means that there are huge potential savings for anyone who wants to start their own business as an internet entrepreneur. Number 6, visualize your ideal internet entrepreneurial lifestyle. Your ideal lifestyle is your destination. Make a vision board, create a live simulation on paper.li, or just close your eyes and imagine how you want things to be when you become an internet entrepreneur. Think about who you'll be, where you'll live, and what kind of work you will do, and what kinds of leisure activities you will engage in. What are your hobbies? Is there anything else that will play a significant role in your life? Anything else that might affect or influence your business venture? Visualize it all. The clearer your picture of success, the easier it is for success to find its way into reality. Start working toward achieving your goals by using one of these 3 methods: journaling, meditating, or goal-setting exercises. Journaling has been proven to improve memory and concentration, so take time each day to write down exactly what you need to do each day to achieve success. Write down even small tasks. For example, call Bill back regarding website content requests. By making everything written down clear in black and white, you eliminate excuses from happening later on when your mind plays tricks on you. If you can commit yourself to a daily journaling practice now, even if it's only 10 minutes per day, you'll be better prepared than most other entrepreneurs once lunchtime comes around. Number 7, be ready for long hours and lots of work, but remember why you started this journey in the first place. For many of us, it's all about personal fulfillment. You have a killer idea and you want to share it with others. With everything that goes into creating a successful business, however, it can be easy to lose sight of what motivated you in the first place. So make sure you're staying true to your original vision. For many entrepreneurs, that means trying new things or making mistakes along the way, and that's okay. Remember why you started in the first place. Even when it seems like nothing is working out or you hit roadblocks, remember that perseverance will lead to success if you stick with it. There will be plenty of highs and lows along your journey. Trust your gut and remember what got you here in the first place. And don't forget to celebrate each milestone along the way. A little recognition for yourself or even just for your team is always a good thing. In fact, recognition doesn't just feel good, it actually helps keep employees engaged at work and incentivizes them to perform better. Plus, recognizing employees publicly sets a positive example for other employees who may not yet be ready for public praise but could use some positive reinforcement as well. Be honest with yourself. If something isn't working, it's important to recognize that right away so you can address it before it becomes too big of an issue. Number 8, keep doing till you succeed as an internet entrepreneur. Yes, there is a lot of money in it. And yes, it's simple, yet most fail. Many who start a business or sole proprietorship never succeed. Because they give too soon or when the going gets tough, they drop out and go back to their old job. So, what are those who succeed do that others do not? They are doing something. They keep moving forward. While many want to be internet entrepreneurs and stay at home, working out of their homes and making millions of dollars every year, they never take action. The ones who do take action just keep taking action until they get what they want. There is no other way around it. It takes time, patience, and determination. But if you don't give up, you will make it. Successful people know how to work hard for long hours without burning out or giving up when things go wrong. You have to have a plan for your business and stick with it even when times get tough, because if you quit now, then you will never become successful in any venture you undertake. As an entrepreneur, failure is inevitable but only temporary as long as you learn from your mistakes and use them as stepping stones toward success rather than allowing them to deter you from reaching your goals. If one door closes, another one opens, so don't let anything stop you from pursuing your dreams. So folks, this is the end of the video. Let us know in the comments if you want us to make more videos like this. Don't forget to like and share this video if you like it. See you in the next video.